Yes, so Ford is making a $1.2 million supercar that won't be legal to drive on the streets. And what this means for you guys as Ford investors. So if you're investing in Ford, it's actually a great thing. If you're investing in Ford, we're going to profit together. This is what the supercar looks like, and it looks awesome in my opinion. Also, even more powerful version of its Ford GT supercar for $1.2 million. But only 45 will be built. So this means that it's going to be a rare car, and this will probably sell out relatively quickly because there are a bunch of millionaires who would want to own this as an antique, and in the future this car would be worth a lot. Maybe somebody would be willing to pay $3-4 million for their car, and that is already a 100% gain by itself. Also, these cars are most likely going to go to people who have a ranch or who have a huge house and collect cars. In this case, you can kind of count the car as an asset, but not really, because you can't earn passive income off of the car unless you rent it out. But if you rent it out, the other person might not return the car, or they might return it bruised up. Also, these cars are more meant like racing cars. Sure, like maybe some rich people have a track like around their house, like a racing track, and they might want it for racing as well. So while it might not sell to ordinary people like you and me, it will sell to the super rich people because they like putting their money in rare things because they go up in value even more. In the future, just wait 5 or 10 years. In fact, Ford predicts so much demand that interested buyers will have to apply to buy one. So I don't know how they're going to decide whether they sell you the car or not. If it just ends up being an auction, or maybe you have to end up paying more than 1.2 million, and whoever pays the most can get like the cars. I don't know how that's going to work, but they're already predicting a lot of demand around it. This will probably move the stock price up a lot. Now, aside from selling sports cars, Ford is also focusing more on their pickup trucks, which are generating more sales. And they're cutting their costs drastically with the layoffs. So yes, this is not a conservative stock, and I do think Ford will still be around for a while. If you haven't already invested in Ford, I would recommend it at or under $12 a share. I predict it to go up to 20 like within the next 5-10 years. If you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe with bell notifications so you never miss out on another video, comment letting me know if you have any questions or concerns, and share.